Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to use Cash App Pools. Cash App Pools lets a group of people contribute money toward a shared goal, like a gift, a group trip, splitting a bill, etc. Firstly, launch the Cash App on your phone. In the app, there is a pool option that you can access from your payment tab or keypad depending on the version of the app. Tap Create Pool and then name your pool. Give it a description if needed, then set a goal amount, the total sum you want to collect. Now add people via their cash tags or share a link via SMS or use Apple Pay or Google Pay if supported, so people who don't use Cash App can also contribute. Now you'll see the running total, who has contributed, how much is left. The organizer can see which contributions came in and whether the goal is close. Once the goal is reached, or when you decide, you can close the pool. The money collected goes into the Cash App balance, so you can use it on the goal. Pools was recently rolled out and may not yet available to call Cash App users. So, if you don't see the option, it might be coming in your region later. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.